Nothing.
I don't blame you. You got a grip on it with the left hand. You'd have to pry it off.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey.
We're still going.
Don't stop now.
Good exercise, Papa. Keep going.
I haven't walked my 5 miles.
I know you haven't. You could probably do that.
Yeah, tape full of circles.
Yeah.
Password to this.
I like the scenery. It's always changing, isn't it? And yet somehow always the same.
These look familiar, don't they? Yeah.
There's a nice little bump here this way somehow. Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
That's it. You get out?
Marcus,
Careful.
why?
What do you do?
That bug.
Let him get you. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, come on. You want to go around one more time? Or you just want to get the heck out of there?
Did he get out?
I'm going to get you out. You're going to scream, but I'm going to get you out.
Oh, you're okay.
Oh, you're fine. You are being
Oh. You know, we're going to show you this. You better stop.
That's right. You're going to see this, Marcus.
When
Are
you're
you
old.
mad because I got you out or because you got out? I don't think you should.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to back it up here. It's yours. You can do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm going to crank up the upstairs.
Yeah, get him while he's,
You're fine, but you do.
Who can imagine?
Yeah.
Lorraine was telling us how he's scared of Courtney. She thinks it's the red hair. I'm like,
Yeah.
that's so funny.
Our nieces have red, really dark, light,
Dark.
dark red hair.
Courtney?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just scared of it.
I'll play with you, but I won't let you play with me.
Yeah.
You like it?
He'll indirectly play with you.
You
Yeah.
like it? You like it? Want to keep it? Or do I take? Do you want to take it back?
He's like, no.
Hey. I need to get Mary Ann one of those.
Where'd you get that?
Toys R Us.
Well, we need to put it on the floor and see if it spins.
Oh, it's good.
It's supposed to, yeah. Let's see if that really.
Say that again?
Marcus.
Marcus. That's a boy. I can't see your face.
I need to get it still, I guess. Well, I guess I'm going to go together.
Well, what do you think? What do you think? What have you got to say for yourself? Is that it? Well? This is when you're 1 year old in about 3 days. Past it. You hear that? I think she's bringing your wagon down. I think she is. Hey. Hey.